Hi guys, and this is a special tutorial on our channel because today I will show you how to deactivate your Instagram account. Let's go to the watching. At the first step, I need to open my Insta, and right now I will show you, as I said before, that I will deactivate my account, which means that I will delete it temporarily. So how to do it? I need to pick on the three lines icon when I am on my profile page and go to the settings option. Later, I need to choose account, and after click on the delete account option. So I have two options like delete my account at all or deactivate account. As you can check, it means that my account will be disabled temporarily. Let's tap on the first option, which is the blue one. Wait some time please. And after picking on the filter, which will appear at the first, I need to find the needful reason why I want to deactivate my account. As an example, I had too many ads, and later I need to set my password. I'm so sorry, I need to take away my phone because I need to set the password which is current for me right now. Yes. Thank you for your time, and later let's press temporary deactivate account. Yeah, so sorry. No. Sorry, yes. I didn't read to the end, so let's wait some time. And from now on, as you can check, my account was deactivated. We have also another video on the channel where we will show you how to reactivate this account, so let's check it and get to know how to manage this option and switch off or switch on your account without any troubles. Also, you can find another guide where we will talk about how to delete our account at all. So I hope that these tutorials are useful, interesting, and don't forget about likes and click on the subscription below. Good luck!